I've been humming a high note, maybe something that I wrote, out sailing in my boat. I'm not really sure. I'm still singing the same tune. Been kicking around since June, all morning and afternoon. Now it's all a blur. I've been listening to seashells to hear the stories that they tell of high times and tide swells that have yet to occur. Backsliding down the drain, partially taking all the blame, chasing coins to fill the purse. Is it really better or for worse? Is it a blessing or a curse to pass the buck? Is it a bounty or a bust? Is it precious metal or just rust? Well, it seems it's up to us. So well, it's just luck. I kept making a U-turn, ended up with a sunburn, but the lesson that I learned was worth the skin that peeled. I climbed so many mountains, it's not even with counting all the drinks in the fountain before it was revealed. Backsliding down the drain, partially taking all the blame. From the copper to the kettle, the stamen to the pedal, we watch the value of sand dollars crumble. Chasing coins to fill the
Ordre. Cheerio old chap. Hello house harmonic. Bend a knee. Kiss a ring. Respect the TA and leave your shoes at the door. Kincoin Kappa.
Kincoin Connect. All set. All right, man. Thanks. Chris Irwin, man, thanks so much, dude, for the $6.66. Sorry, dude. Yeah, I have to have different variations for the starting soon, BRB, and thanks for watching scenes. So, like, it's just not going to translate into the jar. Yeah, can connect, right? Hilarious. Because that's the variation. Thank you, dude, for the sixes. Okay. But I made it back, man. Finally. Took my second day off yesterday. I needed it. Like, I had to. Like, there's no way. Like, there's no effing way. Y'all would not have want to seen me yesterday, okay? So, anyway, we just got Bitcoin. It had bullish convergence really early in the morning. Last night, morning, whatever. And we bounced $300. Hey, we're above 79.30. Big area, okay? Why is that a big deal? I'll show you. Go to the daily time scale and look. All right, anything above 79.30 is a bullish engulfing candle. That's like tweezer double bottom stuff too. That's really nice. It's a really nice daily candle. Okay, so let's keep it up. We got 2 hours till the close, and see if it turns into something. All right, very cool. Still a lot of negative Momo. 54 on the RSI on the daily. But yeah, dude. I don't know what to do, man. Like, I got my IT guys coming over tonight. All right. I mean, I was working earlier and my browser's closed again. So, like, there's just no fix. And all the drivers are updated. We're going to look into it more tonight. But if I lose all my stuff, I'm just saying this. If I lose all my stuff, be forewarned. All right. No idea what's happening. And look, hey, man, you see what TradingView did today? Has anyone noticed that's been using it? They took away the drawing panel. There's like a little. There used to be an arrow here where you click it easy and it goes. It like fades away and then you make it come back. Now they got rid of that. Like, why would you do that? And now it's like you have to go up here and click it. Okay, dude. I just don't get it, man. It's just weird. Or I could just easily click down here and have it up. So that's TradingView for you, man. They mess a lot of stuff up, dude. Like their updates and their patches, whatever they do. I know it's coding, but man, and I'm sure it's complicated, but it's still inconvenient. All right, so I did a static video on Bitcoin today, and well, we have not broken the downswing resistance. If we did break the downswing resistance, we could probably run up to the square up, which is like 84.40 or so. So as you can see, making a higher low. Look, X, A, B, C, D would be up here anyway, the square up levels. So it's not on the realm possibility, man. We break out of this and run to higher prices. I mean, that's really strong when you do that, man. You're continuously rejecting lower prices, all right? And this is very nice. All right, the convergence, or close enough to bullish divergence, man. I mean, you're nitpicking, calling it one or the other, all right? Or saying that's wrong, this is right, okay? So back above the 200 moving average, fell below that, for the third time, really not. I mean, this was the first, time our candle closed below the 200 moving average. As you can see, the wicks, we wicked off the 200, but here we are falling below it, and now we got that nice little bullish pin bar. That was a very nice little reversal candle. The wicks too, as you can see, and this is what the wicks look like on the daily. So significant. All right, man. But dude, 8,000? Strong resistance. We have been fighting all day to try to break it. We've just been failing. Every time we break above 8,000 for a second, right back down. No volume, right? Not really. So that's really it, man. Something I wanted to bring up real quick. And I know, like, just, you know, it's whatever. It's just an open-minded idea about what could come. But this is Ethereum, alright? And you tell me, dude, like, I'm going by the book here. I'm going by the book on Ethereum. X, A, B, C, and D is down at like 177, a 78% retrace. And I was like, how in the world are you going to get down there when you're showing triple MACD bullish divergence, RSI bullish divergence, right? How are you going to do it, man? What does this even look like on the daily? Are we bullishly engulfing? Yeah, you'll be bullishly engulfing right here as well, right? So is it like we're going to run up and then sell off and eventually head down that way? So yeah, what if we did run up? We could run all the way up to 277, get ourselves a huge head and shoulders of some sort, right? And then sell off to the downside. But it needs to be noted at least. I mean, it's like clear as day. We retraced 39%, right? 38.2 is the minimum requirement, you know, of a retrace from X to A to make B. You run up between 113% and 141. 141%. Okay, so we're at 120% retrace here from the high to low, right? 120, and then you'd sell off. And this from B to C can be between the, I believe, the 1618 and the 200% retrace. All right, and then from X to C, 78.6% retrace is the PCZ, pattern completion zone, the PRZ, pattern or price reversal zone. Okay. So just a thought, just an idea about what could come way down the road, maybe. You know, like, I mean, it could be in July by the time we get there, right? So there's just so much stuff we could do in the meantime, running up, down, all in between. But just know, like, it seems like we might be on, like, that fifth wave. All right? And that's it. Holy crap.
Is that a joint?
Damn, Melissa! Holy crap. The Highway Jesus people's coming in strong. Thank y'all for the 2420. Oh my god. Hype in chat. Good to see y'all. Seriously. Y'all got my back. Always. Freaking love y'all. Okay. So, let's look at XRP now. And I was looking at scanning for a while, a lot of S coins. And they're kind of interesting. So, I mean, a lot of the S coins are kind of interesting right now. Some are just like, I don't even want to look at them, dude. I get like, you know, getting like, what is it? Glaucoma. I get that when I look at some of the S coins, dude, on my watch list. But whatever, man. All right, so this is XRP right now as it stands. I mean, I'm just looking from X, A, B, C, D. I mean, this is a bearish cipher, potential bearish cipher. If we could find the buying pressure to leg up one more time. But as it stands now, you're not making a higher high than your previous high. You're only making lower highs and lower lows. So, though you do have bullish divergence, that's great. This is it? That's literally it, man? It's not good, dude. It's pretty weak price action. Especially with Bitcoin, you know, running the upside almost 5%. I know XRP's up 3% today, but, you know, we know the danger zone is below 36.871 cents. Right, you break that, not very good, right? That's like kind of the, okay, this may not be as bullish as we think. But if you stay above it, which we have so far, that's good. And for the idea of the falling three peaks, we broke the confirmation line, but then rallied and bounced right as we closed below it. You know, we pivoted with Bitcoin and ran back up, and we're back above it now, the confirmation line. So, and again, you're in a bullish trend, so a bearish pattern is not going to be as strong or as reliable. Okay, so. Okay, just look at the big three. Chat did a Litecoin video too today, if you want to check that out. It's there, man. So 2 videos earlier today. I feel a little bit better, man. I'm still like feeling it, dude. I don't know if I was drugged or not, or I just drank too much, man. I don't know. It was a crazy one, man. So, let's look at some chat. Say hello, peoples. Dude, oh my god. By the way, I mean, like, I don't talk about this stuff often, but dude, I saw some stuff today in the crypto world, and I know it happened a few days ago, but my god. I'm sure the XRP people know what's going on, man. That's insane. I watched an hour-long video on someone like investigating a crypto streamer, and the evidence is like overwhelming against that person. I don't know. That person will not recover. Like, there's just no way. How will they recover from what they've done so bad? I do want to plug the guy who did investigate the investigation and help grow his channel. What was his name again? What are you trying to find it real quick? Because, I mean, like, dude, you know, if someone, like, turns out to be, like, literally, like, just scamming and screwing people and talking crap, I mean, just, like, really toxic stuff, man, like, it's kind of good to let people know about it. And you can draw your own conclusion. Let's see. What's this guy's name? To the Lifeboats. His name is To the Lifeboats. I'm not gonna play the video or anything like that. Check him out. To the Lifeboats, man. Tell him I sent you. Okay. Just want to plug him, and man, he did a really good job. He's getting a lot of hate for what he did, but hey, man, there are people out there with integrity that respect that. All right. So, to the Lifeboats, chat. Kanks. But that's about as far as I'll get into anything like that. What's up, Mr. Jake? Culture Shock, hi. What's up, Drop Wiz, Yer, Iron K, David McLean, hi. Pure Loco, Anthony M, Darkness Star, Morgan Freegan, hey, Sean Coons, Kenneth, Beast Nice Man, Greg Hyson, Julia, welcome. What's up, Private Wins, man? Hello, Jurgen. Good to see you, man. 12K subs. I don't know, man. Me, like, taking a day off yesterday, like, literally destroyed me, man. Okay.
Fed/BTC Mitch. Thanks, my guy.
Sure, King Crypto. Thanks, man, for the 3s. Much love. Oh, man. This one's gross. Yeah, nice rally, though. I mean, yeah, it's good. It seems like you broke out to some degree. I mean, look, you're making higher lows, right? Not really much of a pattern, I don't see. On fentanyl, right? Fentanyl, it's the higher low was good, right? But I'm sorry, every time you've made a high, it's always been a lower high than your previous highs every single time since inception. Okay, so don't get cocky yet. That's great, man. Yep, you had a look at this bullish fanning on the moving averages. Great, you're bouncing on the 20. That's healthy stuff. All right, from high to low, how far have we retraced? High to low, 50%, exceeding the 50% retrace. 3,094. Okay, so like 3,384 seems to be the next target. Hey man, I don't know why you wouldn't hit it. And then there's like right here, you know, you start getting to resistance zone. Okay, the 34, 35 sats, right around the golden retrace. So I don't think, man, like you got any kind of pattern unless it's a crazy butterfly. Let's go high to low. How far do we see? Think about it, man. We retraced 88.6% of the way last time before selling off right hard. So, I mean, if you hit an 88.6% retrace, that could run you all the way up to 4,042, but just don't know, man. All right, so I don't see any kind of formal trend, okay? The only good news is the higher low and you're rounded to the upside. So that's great, man, I guess. I mean, I guess we would like anchor point 1 and 2 and 3 on the bottom. Yep, that's it. But the problem is, it's like, with craziness like this, what do you even do now, man? It was like a false breakout, and now you're breaking out again. Right, that's the way it would look. Okay. I think Litecoin did something similar to that back in the 20s, 30s. Like, it did started with an inverse head and shoulders, then broke out, and then sold off right below the neckline, but then made a higher low and then rallied again to the upside and was gone. But again, I'm not comparing this at all to Litecoin, man. This is just a fentanyl coin, all right, that is seemingly possibly broken out, and again has only hit 3,094. Let's see how we respond to again 34.35 to 34.78. Let's see how it goes there, because that's going to be resistance, your first one. All right, nothing until there, really. Dude, we are getting closer and closer, though, to that 12K, man. It'd be nice to get it at some point this week. Gordeski has a huge bet on Golden State to win the series. Aren't they, like, losing bad? Like, it's like they're 1-3 in the series. Yeah, Toronto is like, they could take it tonight, right? They could win it all tonight. So there you go, man. Kevin Durant's playing tonight. Uh-oh. We're screwed now. Dang, dude, I'm behind on chat. Wow. What's up, K-Puff? Mike Smith? Essex Hammer? Come on, England. Crypto Burdock, hello. Dennis Perry, Lift an Eye. Sorry, a lot of y'all. And really appreciate each and every one of you. Just hard getting to I can't say hate it. Literally everyone. It's just impossible. Try my best, though. Hey, Jojo. Jojo, you just subbed. Thanks for saying something in chat. Hey, Arlo, Bradford, Sakoshi. Chicago for Crypto again, man. Mario. Fantastic. Really good to see y'all. Salsa Kang. JJ Lord. Dallas 214. Oh my god, man. Alright. Does ADA have the high ground, Kenobi, man? I want you all to see something real quick. I'm going to go back to my other train, and just I want to complain again about TradingView. Like, up here, you can't really see it, but for some reason, maybe y'all could tell me if you've been having the same issue. Look at this. The search bar, the indicators, everything's gone, man. I refreshed, and it still didn't come back up. It's just like, why do they have so many issues? Just killing me, dude. Just like disappears. Anyway, I know it's not a big deal. But, okay, you're talking about ADA have the high ground? Kind of, yeah, a little bit. Look, we might be developing a cipher, just a small bearish cipher pattern. X, A, B, C, looking for D up at 9.369 cents, all right? So does it have the high ground? Well, it had the divergence, so I guess that's the high ground. Yeah, it had a little bit more right here. Barely. It was there. There was divergence on both oscillators right as you were falling, you know, below the upsloping support. It seems like more like the horizontal line support saved you, right? Back candle low close from May 17th. And really the previous one, right? But the wick was lower, and so that helps us see that cipher. All right, so 9.3 cents is kind of the target. It's not a long. Look, you don't go long on ciphers. You see if we can get to the PCZ, and then one would take a short there. All right, but we know the trend is bullish right now, so bearish patterns aren't as reliable. All right, you're looking for like bullish harmonics and bullish trends, bearish harmonics and bearish trends, chat. Dang, man. Audio. See, now it's probably too quiet. I can't get it, man. Whatever. Trader, why do you say Drake sucks, man? What happened? What did he do to you, dude? Or just, interesting. Random. Is he gonna be he'll probably be at the game tonight, right? Don't a lot of celebrities go to NBA Finals games? Hey, I saw like Dr. Disrespect at one of the games. I don't know if it was like the finals or not, but it was hilarious seeing him. There were like pictures of him. He was like dressed up in his character at the game, sitting next to Andy Milonakis. It's funny. Big Connect, what? So that's 88 US dollar tether. 88 to BTC. Find out what it means to me. Still holding. I mean, still okay. It's not like dead or anything. It's just kind of like, what are you doing, man? What are you doing, 88? We broke the downtrend. We created the potential double bottom. And now we're making higher lows, but we're not making higher highs, right? It's just like price contraction. It's like you got a triangle going on now. Okay, so I guess we can plot that and see what's going to happen, right? 1, 2 on the bottom. Easy. Beauty is the, measure move. They're pretty similar. It's easy, man. I wish it was more complicated, right? So, do we say it's a double bottom still? Probably not. Let's stick with a triangle. Keep it simple. All right. You get new candles. You develop new things, right? It's just like, okay. Hold on. All right, that's good. Perfecto. So this is what happens a lot, man. It'll happen all the time where you'll break out of a downtrend and you'll form price contraction. A lot of times we see ascending triangles as well. So just in this situation, it's a symmetrical. All right, neutral. So measure move is again not very different at all. If you broke to the upside, you could be a king. Broke the downside, you could also be a peasant. Damn, Melissa.
Is that a joint?
Bruh.
Y'all incredible. Thank you for the 2420 times 2 now. Fantastico. Hype in the chat. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Y'all are incredible. Don't even know what, I mean, again, like I can say thank you all day, but it's just never going to do justice how grateful I am to have y'all part of this community. Thank you. Okay. So, Botrix, that was for you, man. You asked. It's a new world, a new pattern. I'm like scared, dude. I'm just gonna save every time, no matter what. My browser normally shuts down after about an hour, as of late. So, what's up, Eric O'Connell? So I wanted to see a link to BTC. Hold on a sec. Okay, sorry. I'm getting distracted on Discord. Oh, that's nice, dude. A break from the monotony. Oops, sorry. Wow, dude. Phil, was that you, dude? I mean, you didn't make that, did you? Good God, man. Losing my mind. Oh, yeah. So this one was fascinating, dude. This was look. Same stuff as Ethereum, man.
Hey bud, check out this crap I bought today for the lols in 4 hours while I was smoking.
Is that a joint?
Were you smoking a marijuana cigarette? A marijuana cigarello? Hold on. Make sure I got the ticker right. It's not like Ethereum. Sorry, Ethereum's the cipher, the bullish cipher, potential bullish cipher. This was a Gartley, some sort. Nah, it's a wannabe Gartley. This was like one of those Bartley's, dude, because it was a 53% retrace when you need a 62% retrace in order to have a valid pattern. So nah, man, it was just more like you at the 786 you decided to run to the upside. Okay, but anyway, from that, I mean, look, it's very, very nice. Nice uptrend you're in. But I don't, hold on, let's see. I'm sure there's something we can do, right? See, it's like if you had it like that, then you broke out bearishly and then ran back inside, right? It's pretty good right there. My fellows, 2 times. Thanks for the 259, man. Dude, Adrian, dude, did you, oh, okay, sorry. It's confused here. INSY. He said he was smoking when he got this therapeutics company. Bruh. Were you shorting it, or? I'm confused, man. Oh, thank you, my fellows, for the kind words. It says 2 times my 90,000 sats. Why your work, very appreciated in Portugal. Thank you, my fellows, man. Cheers. Bruh. This is what he bought today for the lols, for the laugh out louds, or the lots of loves. Okay. Interesting. All-time lows? Yes, maybe. No, maybe not. Yeah, all-time lows. Let's go. Nice gap down. So what was it that made you buy this today? Adrian, man. Look at that. You like rallied up, hit the 20 moving average, rejected it. Nice. Hey man, congratulations on this. All right, no point in even charting this crap, dude. What's the point, man? Don't even know. There you go, man. There's your little scrub channel. Congratulations. Big round of applause for Adrian A. He did it, man.
Please clap. Bruh.
All right. Are we good? Are we good, Adrian? I mean, if you want, I guess we can really do fib extensions. Okay, you're like below the 1618 fib extension. Nice. I don't know what to tell you, man. You can't make it to the 2618 because that's minus, that's like minus $1.67. So, yeah, dude, this is like a penny stock, man. Great. All right. Sorry. Just had to see it to believe it. So about Crypto Boy, Angelo Capone, hi. Litecoin is mooning.
3.6. Not great, not terrible.
How many ruined Genesis your workstation reading? Reports out of Kiev indicate a significant spike in streaming activity.
Bruh.
Thank you, comrade. I gotta figure out another really memorable sound clip from the show. If you have recommendations, we'll get it on the soundboard. Okay, to like do follow-ups of that. But oh, speaking of you, right there, dude. You think of something. How many Rokins? Well, we used the decimeter, and as soon as we turned it on, it burned out. Well, we found another one, and it was it went up to 200 Rokin, and as soon as I turned it on, it maxed out. Crazy world, right? Thank you, CCCP tech support for the 360, man. Not great, not terrible. Dude, I'm so behind on chat, sorry. Bruh. What's up, Randy? Schultz? What? When does the day end? He asks innocently. It ends in an hour and 23 minutes. That is when. You just started watching Chernobyl Connect last night? Dude, perfect. Chernobyl Connect is like real. It's like more real than BitConnect. Okay. It should have literally been like changed. They should have changed the name. Okay, so yeah, Litecoin. Let me see what chart it was. Exchange. I was looking at. Then a couple. That one didn't save. Dude, it's been like miserable the past like 5 days trying to like work in TradingView because the browser just shutting down randomly. Okay, that's it. Litecoin Connect. Kappa so far. $125.86 as it stands now. Remember what's happening. From your major high, discernible daily swing high to low. We hit this 618 like 3 times or something. And we've finally now just broken it, which is a big deal, man. You ran straight up to the next overhead resistance. I mean, you hit it, kind of exceeded it for a second, and then pulled back, and you're still below it now. You can see that on the screen, the red line right there. That is where the price is. It's below the resistance. But after this, man, there's not much resistance. I mean, there's a little bit of resistance. 137.22 could play a role as resistance. But, man, with fib nodes and real major highs and lows, man, there's nothing. I mean, 786, 150 seems like a decent target, but, man, how are we going to do that? I mean, we would have to break out probably of the channel, right? Because if we don't, we stay within the parameters of the channel. Think about how much longer it'll take us to get up to those levels if we contain ourselves within this channel, all right? So, hey, impulse up, down sloping consolidation. What happened? You broke out. So, yes, this has been, what they call it, gangbusters as of late. Up 10% today. Beautiful. Very good. Would just like to see a Bitcoin break its downsloping resistance this time. Okay. Kappa Pride, yep. Someone stop you? All right, Maria, don't do it. Don't do it. You had your chance. You had your chance down here. Look. It was beautiful, dude. It was freaking beautiful, and we broadcasted it. We literally lit the torches of Gondor down here. You remember, if you're a regular viewer, dude, you remember. And this was the false breakout that I was talking about earlier in the stream, where you broke out, bearishly diverged, and then you dumped. But then when you dumped, you just went sideways, and you never made lower lows again, right? More accumulation. And then after that, it was just, look, think how long that took. From January 11th all the way to February 6th. So almost a month where we didn't do anything but make higher lows, range bound. And then boom, we were gone again. So yeah, can't say you weren't warned here. But little did we know at the time that this pattern would manifest into quadrupling up. Something like that. Unreal. Or more. Quintupling. Good God. At this point. It's okay though, man. I understand people come in and out of these markets. Alright. So here's the thing about Litecoin, where we are. Think about it. I think fib extensions too. Let's pull them up. 1414. High to low. No, still the 1272. That's right. Still the 1272 fib extension. So big resistance here. Lots of it. Confluence with overhead resistance, with the fib extensions, with the upsloping resistance of the channel. Tons of resistance here, okay? It'd be very hard to you know, break this. And as you can see, what's happening down on the MACD, I get the volume's great. That's very nice, bullish volume. But how are you not going to show bearish divergence here? Remember last time we showed bearish divergence? Well, here was a high, a higher high, lower levels of positive Momo. We sold off, rallied, and then, you know, it took us May 27th. Shoot. May 27th to like June 9th to like recover from the divergence. It started with the divergence, this little miniature correction, right? Where you just retraced. So divergence could be in the midst of happening. Well, we just don't know yet. Look, we could go higher. We keep pumping to the upside and keep making higher levels of positive Momo. So I'm just saying we will be making bearish divergence soon. But hey, bullish trend, your divergence is not as strong, right? I mean, it's like it just might not be as reliable. But currently at the 1272, overhead resistance and an upsloping resistance, all the same spot. Crazy. Dang it. So it's Litecoin Connect, chat, beautiful, beautiful uptrend. It's been doing wonderful. Charlie Lee would be so happy, man. All right, Spanish Chicken, have a good one, dude. What's up, James of the water cooler? Sam Barlow, hi. Seriously, good to see y'all. Thanks for the nearly 700 people tuned in. We appreciate it. If you're enjoying the live stream, that like button, that bell, us up. Let's go. Like spot.
Hi Mitch, could you have a look at BTC/USD using NVT signal indicator glider fund on weekly and tell us what you think? Thanks.
I mean, I don't really practice using the NVT indicator. All right. But thank you for the 10 euro, Caesar man. I'll do what I can. Because, I mean, like, you know, how can it pick the top if, you know, I remember before we, like, broke 6,000, the person who, Mr., what was it, Wu? The creator of the indicator said when we were supposed to be selling off, he said he was bullish on Bitcoin. So, like, the indicator didn't really work. Like, every other time it did, but, like, this time it didn't. So, I don't really know. All right. Alright, so standard NVT ratio is simply the network valuation divided by the transaction value flowing through the blockchain and then smoothed using a moving average. This guy, Dmitry Kalichi, definitely worked at Chernobyl, it sounds like. What he did was apply the moving average just to the volatile transactions component, only without smoothing the already stable network valuation component. Okay, so we said, I mean, evidently this produces a much more responsive chart, responsive enough to use as a trading indicator. This is probably the first trading indicator to use blockchain data instead of basic price and volume data coming in from exchanges. Okay. Well, that's weird. Oh, yeah, probably because it has to be on Bitcoin. Give me a sec. Okay. So, any level above 150 is in the overbought zone. Okay, so we're right at like 150. So we're technically still overbought according to this indicator. What the heck? Hold on. Sorry. Okay, here we are. We're at like 150 right now. So look how long, though. Forgive the craziness and stuff, but yeah, you were like overbought, sold off. Hey, bearish divergence. Give me a break, dude. You know, it's like, oh, okay. Yeah, look again. Oh, rising wedge, more bearish divergence up here on multiple time scales. I remember that one's so clear as day. This right here, you know, maybe it would have been helpful. Like, we knew the reckoning was at hand with a downswing resistance and upsloping support. I mean, it was coming. The break of the upside downside was coming, and we know we failed this one last time and then dumped. So, throat's getting a little dry. All right, nice. It picked it here, the top. Didn't pick a top here. Not really. Dead cat bounce. So yeah, man, I don't really know. Maybe it works differently in an uptrend. Dude. Throat's trying to, man. Levels below 45 tends to be oversold, going back to it, okay? If you're going to use this indicator, I guess we're just learning it together. I don't really use it, so. Calling market tap. tops accurately. Being in the overbought zone doesn't tell us exactly when the market is about to pop. Overbought. However, what does that mean? Being in the overbought zone doesn't tell. Of course, it wouldn't tell us when it's gonna pop. Are you talking about pop at the upside or downside? Okay, so they're saying the last 3 times it called it, but then now, what of this? What of this, right? I don't know, man. Rising wedge breakout. So still, you know, okay until we break below 7,400. That's the big one, man. You don't want to break 7,400. You're going to 7,000, 6,800. My God, man. Okay. So yeah, man. Tell me, chat. What do you think about this indicator? All right. You tell me. Okay, Willy Woo. That was the guy. I was right. So 70. So I mean, even at, think about it. It said below 45, right? This thing never even got close to 45 on the MVT. It got to 72. This is when we were bullishly Gartleying. Look, it looks like there's a bullish Gartley almost on the MVT indicator, Kappa. All right. Very cool, dude. So good. Very, very cool contribution right there. Helped us all learn a little bit more about the MVT if we didn't know. All right. Sweet, man. Kangs. At 150 right now. So still technically overbought according to that indicator. Okay? Okay, man. Sorry, dude. Catch up a little bit. What's up, JL? Was it J Logan? JL Logan? What the heck? Graham? Hi. Good to see you. Hunt for Red October sound effects. Hey, K Roy. Thanks for the sub, man. Welcome. We got 75 more subs till the big 12K chat. Let's do this thing. Leroy Jenkins. Hey, Jordan Varese. Welcome. Jared Stevens. Good to see you, man. KB doesn't like the MVT indicator. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I mean, like, it didn't help anyone recently. Like it's helped in the past, it seems, right? All right, Caesar, man. Sam Barlow, hi. What's up, Aloho? Mitch Ray is your indicator. All right, but it's good to learn the indicators that I know and that others know so you can do your own thing, man. Be self-reliant. MVT was only green in February of 2018, David. Meaning like overbought, right? So February 2018, meaning like, oh, I should buy now? Well, I didn't work out very well, did it, David? No. Wow. Was overbought, but the price went up 3,000. Can't use that S. I mean, I don't really use it at all. Hey man, we were fortunate enough to identify the Gartley. The harmonic was better than the MVT, man. Let's go. And we had bullish divergence, man. There was like bullish divergence on the daily and the 4 hour. And I think, oh yeah, even the weekly when that Gartley developed, man. Give me a break. Like seriously. We had all the we had binders of coinciding variables at 33.43, bruh. What's up, Jay Tizzle, man? Botrick says we are in a bull market. Oh my god. Okay, so what were some of the ones I was looking at today that are kind of interesting? All right, they were like S coins. I looked at more than my crap crashed, and then I had to start over again. Such a joke. Yeah, this one, Neo to BTC. This is like a great, dude, right? 1414 fib extension. Look, the PCZ area, right? Look how you've rallied since you hit a crazy fib extension, man. All right, you just go from your low to high to get this fib extension. So you do it from X to C. Get it? Think about it, man. Same thing, same pattern. I think this is the shark. Is it the shark? Yeah, it has to be. It can't be the crab or the butterfly. It is definitely the shark. So once we hit that PCZ area, look how you can see the price action did reverse. Even though it did go further down, that's fine. But look, you should be. I mean, you're getting. You got pretty freaking close to the first target, right? I mean, that's nearly 1,800 sats. Second target would be like 2,160, if you're lucky enough to get there. So just one like that. Oh, here we go, here we go. Let's see what I can do. Yeah, then you got like ONT to BTC. Dude, this one's nuts, man. This one's insane. Crazy, crazy butterfly. And look what happened. You hit the PCZ area, right? Start forming price contraction. So getting ready for the move, and look, the triangle, I mean, we ran up perfectly, rejected that downsloping resistance, right? And have since sold off tremendously from that top, right? You were at one time nearly 2,000 sats. You're now down to 1,761 sats. So eventually you'd like to see us break to the upside. And if we did, man, think about the measure. Move of the pattern will put you near the 382. That's like your first target, right? I mean, so you would expect, I mean, this is a bullish pattern, a bullish harmonic that has turned into a triangle. So consolidation, setting up for potentially higher prices, lower prices. You would think higher based on the pattern. All right. You'll see it as a weak sign. Bitcoin not holding 8,100. What's so special about 8,100? I mean, there's a resistance there, but you know, it's whatever, man. These moves, they take their time. So the time of reckoning is upon us. I mean, look, think about it. Again, what I say, in an hour and 5 minutes, if we can hold above 79.30, that will be a daily bullish engulfing candle like tweezer double bottom. It's very good. It'll be a very good strong close, closing with that number. Well, Bontrix, say it does happen, man. It all starts with a major reversal, and then we start making lower highs, lower lows on the way down. So we'll be here to cover it if it happens. Facebook coin, let's go.
Good evening, Mitch. Could we look at VET/USDT, please? Come on, England.
Come on, England. Yeah, man. Sure do. We can look at it. An uptrend, man. This one's been range bound, right? It's like rectangle, or if you wanted to call it, it might be somewhat of a descending triangle. I had one of those before, I think. Okay, so decent stuff going on here, right? You got the uptrend. We know that clear as day, right? Anchor point 1, 2 on the top, 3 on the bottom, 4 on the bottom. Bonus, another touch point recently happened. And since we've had a really nice run to the upside, we've now been consolidating bullishly. I mean, sideways. I mean, that's right. And what I wanted, I did it before, but then I lost all my work. All right. When I was going to go to the 60-minute real quick, I need to hide so much stuff real quick. All right. Hold on. So annoying. Okay, this should only show up on the 4 hour. Okay, just so you can see kind of what's happening, right? And though you're wicking below a couple times, just look at that, man. Look at the amount of touches you're getting down here. Right on the top side. It's like a lot of touches, man. So you're just kind of again rectangling. It seems to me. And you're just right. You had how many opportunities? You know, see it. You've hit the top 1, 2, 3, 4 times, almost 5 times. Bottom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times before bouncing again. All right, so nice pop to the upside. I mean, no divergence or anything on the 60-minute. Probably just the only reason this happened was because Bitcoin. I mean, all the U.S. dollar pairs broke to the upside because of Bitcoin. So you can thank the corn for that. All right, yeah, probably a down slipping resistance. You broke it, right? I mean, it was a channel, right? It was just a parallel channel, like, you know, like Bitcoin was in, but at least Bitcoin, or this broke at least. Dude, it was almost like a wedge. Well, either way, man. I think that major resistance is up here at 81% of 1 penny, but we know, like you've seen, right, in the past, there have been multiple times where, look, the resistance here, you couldn't break. All right, so just be mindful of that. I mean, Fibonacci-wise, high to low, you've already retraced a lot. You've already made common retraces, so you could reverse your price action anytime you want. Look, you've retraced 62% of the way, above it almost. Well, yeah, definitely above it. Now you're right at it. You're right at a golden retrace in the short term. And that's really all that really matters right now, I guess, looking at VeChain. Is yes, you are range bound between 70% of 1 penny and 81% of 1 penny. Wow. Unreal. Got it? We good? I think we are, man. My God, dude, hold on. Gotta make these only visible on the 60-minute now. Dude, it's a hassle. There we go. Should be good now. Yeah. Perfect, man. Okay. Does that make sense? Either way, man. Getting back to the zoomed out view. Beautiful, beautiful uptrend you're currently in. We have not made our common retraces yet. We got close. But remember, man. Oh my God. All these freaking horizontal lines, man. It's so annoying. Timescale hopping. I might as well just use other exchanges or something. But high to low. You should expect a 94.75% of 1 penny between that and 1.3 cents. 1.3 pennies. We haven't gotten there yet. In time, though. You'd expect it, because that's the common retrace levels. That's it. Okay. Okay. Holy crap. Yeah, not 4chan, dude. Not 4chan. What's up, David? Cisco Kid, hello. I think there's a bull flag formation on Bitcoin. The flag is forming as textbook as bull flag. Cisco Kid, you might be talking about a 60-minute chart or something, right? A much faster time scale. Not sure, man. It doesn't look like it to me. Nah, it looks more just like a pennant of some sort, I guess. A rectangle, whatever you want to call it, man. Yeah, it's like, besides the one wick, right? Beyond the craziness of the wick. Just like a rectangle, man. Right? Is that weird? No, it's not weird at all. What's up, Chris Karan? Super channel, awesome time. Good to see you. What's up, Lee Plot? You're busting a sweat for everyone not at the gym. Thanks for busting your butt for us, so we don't have to. Is that how it works? I can feel myself getting stronger. Thank you, Lee Plot. Alright. Yeah, I mean, potential head and shoulders on the daily. Yes, final point. Correct. But guess what? Bearish pattern and bullish trend. Not always going to work out the way you might think it will. But yes, I agree. A potential pattern could be there. Yes. And that would make plenty of sense for that Ethereum idea. Because you know where Ethereum's going if... think about it. If Bitcoin wants to create its head and shoulders... Right, for Ethereum, you know where it's going. It's going to go down hard too, but didn't really get it here. I mean, you'd have to run all the way to 278 again, right, to maybe get a like left shoulder head, right shoulder. And I think Bitcoin would have to go up much higher too, right?
Always grateful for you and what you do for everyone, brethren. Talk about YouTube sub breakout. People are catching on to your wisdom, good sir. Much
Dude,
love.
Brandon Green, man, thanks for the $20 contribution, dude. Jesus chomps, man, thank you. We appreciate that, and thank you for the kind words as well. Yeah, we did have a sub breakout, I guess you could say, over the past month or so. Yeah, it's been a spectacular, different type of stress. I mean, like, you know, it's gotten crazier. It truly has, but very grateful. And it's just been a lot of fun, man. Been a lot of fun doing this. Yeah, dude. Thanks, man. So, yeah, with Bitcoin, let me go back to the 4 hour real quick. Yeah, it doesn't even look like, I mean, Bitcoin would have to run up to square up at 8,400 in order to make a perfect head and shoulders, right? Because it's not high enough yet. Like, I don't think we went high enough. 8,400 for the head and shoulders, okay. To match the left shoulder anyway. Whoops. Right? Left shoulder, potentially head. Right shoulder. Not high enough. So, you could run up, square up, and then dump or something. What's up, Zax with an X? There, bro, what you talking about, dude? Maria, what's up, dude? Thanks for the sub. Appreciate it. Sorry, just reading stuff. With them NPCs? No. No sense market. What you talking about? Bomb token? CWG? Don't know what you're talking about, man. Alright. Hey, Marty. Good to see you, man. Hey, Cisco Kid. Thanks for the 226 super chat, man. Appreciate it. Bruh. It's a good time to convert some XRP to BTC. Last night. It's probably your best bet if you were going to do it, but... I mean, just think about it like this, man. Whatever Bitcoin does, XRP is going to try to mimic it to its best ability, right? It might not be as good, though. Right? You'd think that we could rally higher. It's just an idea, though. This is all potential, right? These patterns, like this is a bearish pattern. So if you run up this area, this is the area to go short. It is not an area to go long down here, expecting it to run up, because it very well could not. It might not. Okay, that's not how you trade harmonics. You don't trade a harmonic from C to D. You just don't do that, even when it's an idea. Even though sometimes it does work out very well, perfectly, and you have it set up ready to go. Oh, thanks, Vet, bro. Yeah. What is bomb token, dude? Yeah, it has been a couple days, man. It's been over 24 hours, I guess, since I had not streamed since Saturday, and it's Monday now. So, what's up, Mr. Wynn? Ripple Stiltskin. Nice, dude. Yes, Nokia. Yes. The 3 dips on the histogram considered bullish divergence. Absolutely. Triple MACD bullish divergence. I mean, it's impending price action reversal. It's like, hey man, it should be coming like very soon. Like very, very soon. That's what it means. But we broke to the upside, but we haven't done anything on Ethereum. Nokia. Okay. I mean, dude, with Ethereum, 224, that's a critical support. You don't want to fall below. You fall below 224 on Ethereum, there's a real good chance you're going down to like 200. Okay, so I wouldn't want to be messing with Ethereum below 225. All right, you see look left? This is 225 right there. Crazy November 7th, 2018 area. You almost pretty much bounced off of it. You got very close and then just rallied. All right, so I mean, below this, again, the $200 area is the psychological rounded number, so that would be acting as support. But then you just got only these miniature supports down here. Okay, 225. Thanks, James. CWG, you're the one that brought it up, dude. Bomb token, so. Bitwage is making it that you can get paid in Ethereum from your job. Chat, would you rather get paid in Ethereum or US dollar? You know what? We'll just do a straw poll. Just kidding. We're not going to do straw poll. Because, yeah. You know why, chat. You know why. We're not doing straw poll. We'll do straw poll. Dude. Gotta love it, dude. Got to love it. Just hold on a sec. So saved earlier, I guess. All right. A lot of work. A lot of stuff didn't save though. That's great. Just give me a sec, man. Nothing I can do about it. Just gotta deal with it. Just gotta put up with it. Alright, I guess we're good now. It's a big guess, man. Popping out chat. Dude, I mean, I have to I have to redo everything. Like when my browser crashes, everything gets all screwed up. So, all right. Anyway, good old Bitcoin doing a bunch of nothing while we're alive, man. Part and parcel of being a streamer. So the idea could be potentially X, A, B, C, which is similar to XRP right now. And that would make plenty of sense if we did rally and square up at 8,400, 8,500, because that would maybe make the right shoulder of the potential head and shoulder pattern, which we have not made a high enough high yet to make it so. All right. Bart forming on the 15-minute, Robert. Not a very reliable pattern, man. What was it? Oh, it is Ethereum Classic. Okay. Hopefully that's saved. I was looking at that earlier today. So it looks like it's about to break out to the upside. Kind of, yeah. A little bit weird. Really weird. This is kind of what it looks like. I mean, you tell me. Right, this is Ethereum Classic. Like in the short term, you're talking about the 60 minutes. So it's like, look, you impulsed up, you've downsloped in your consolidation. You made higher lows than your previous low. Good news. Big bullish engulfing candle. And then you broke the downsloping resistance and you're now just kind of back testing it going sideways. So yeah, it does seem possible that we could break to the upside soon. But you better have, I mean, Bitcoin has to play ball too for Ethereum Classic to run up, all right? So we know that. Thanks for the 266 likes, chat. Let's get 300 and be Kangs, man. Incredible. Brent's still working on it, man. I'm at the mercy of the peoples that come by and do things. All right.
Beer colon 30 brew.
Get one, man. Get one. Thank you for the $4.99, dude. Thank you, Anon. Kangs. Appreciate it. Won't be drinking for a while, dude. After Saturday, man. No thanks. What happened to the lightning clouds above my head? A little bit. The weather changed, man. Currently on Bitcoin, it's partly cloudy, right? You notice there's like blue skies and clouds and stuff. Like the sun's out. He didn't bring that up. Are we waiting for any events like CMEs filling gaps, things like that? I mean, you still got the one that never filled, right? Like 71 something? Hold on. But you know, the 18th, it's over, man. Okay, here you go. Chat. Probably not my vote. What's up, Adam? You're out of the market until we start testing 9K again? Well, you know, it looks like you might be setting up to run up to at least 8,400 to square up. As it stands now, we're still above 79.30, which is a big deal, but we know anything can happen. We got 43 minutes left until that daily close. Dang, man. Well, never mind, there's only a few votes. Go vote. Would you rather your company pay you in the US dollar or Ethereum? Okay. But, man, where did that article go? God. That's what happens. Your crap crashes every 10 seconds. Oh my God. Posted so many charts. Alright, there it is. Okay. So, God. Why is it off like that? That's their website, dude. Crappy, dude. Why is it like that? Yeah, nothing I can do about it. Bitcoin futures will no longer be traded on CBOE, right? This was, we know that it was all announced in March. Remember that? I can't do anything about this. This is crap, dude. Crappy website. Like, oh, there's no, like, little scroll to the right bar? How does that even work, man? What a joke, dude. Can't even get it all on my screen. Try to anyway. There we go. No one cares about this crap, dude. No one sees this. Okay, it's stupid. Yeah, so June 19th, all right, they're going to be done. There will be no more futures trading on CBOE. And really the main thing to take from it from CBOE and CME, so CME is not going to follow the example of CBOE in its intention to close trading cryptocurrency derivatives. On the opposite, the exchange has recently observed much greater success than ever, settling 90 million contracts, $90 million worth of contracts, which exceeds CBOE's daily volume. Moreover, on May 13th, CME Group reached a record high volume of 33,700 contracts for Bitcoin, processing more than $1 billion in a single day. All right. The reason of such unexpected CME's advantage over CBOE can be because CME's method of asset pricing. While CBOE was relying only on Gemini listings, CME was collecting the data from several marketplaces, which resulted in the growing confidence of traders in the trustworthiness of the exchange. Okay, so just remember the 19th is done for CBOE, but CME is still going to be doing things. All right. Just a little news for you, chat. Wow. Okay, so the vote. Would you rather your company pay in US dollar or Ethereum? Looks like most of y'all want the US dollar. Go figure, right? Some people are they serious? Whoops, oh my God, dude. Are they serious? Probably not. I just think you got some harmonic stuff potentially developing with X, A, B, C. Let's look for that fifth wave up to at least a square up at 8,400. Control plus, control minus. What's up, Grow Green? Good to see you again, man. It'd be a good idea to contribute amounts towards a crypto, but to get paid wages on full crypto, you get, yeah, of course, Trader Fam, yeah. But you know, I mean, there's already 401ks, you know, money going directly into, you know, tax haven or tax deferred, you know, accounts as it is. And if you don't have a Roth IRA, it would be very advantageous for one to have a Roth IRA if you don't have one already. It's like you're shooting yourself in the foot not having a Roth IRA because you can have it with a 401k. This is not financial advice, but I'm just saying, man, like, that means like any gains you make until you're 59 and a half, you get them all. They're all untaxed. It's all taxed up front before the money goes into the account. So better than a 401k. You better USD, but you take Bitcoin. Sorry, Jacob, man. They're only talking about Ethereum now. Okay. Hey, what's up, The Truth? Thanks, man, for being here. Divergence indicator. I'm using the relative strength index and the MACD histogram. That's it. Simple. You think the pump is back on? Why is that? Oh my god, Mithril broke out, dude. Oh my god, it's Mithril, dude. They did that in, what? They had that in, Lord of the Rings, man. Mithril. Oh my god, and now my PC just froze. You gotta be kidding me, man. It just unfroze. I've never seen that happen before. I've never seen my PC freeze and unfreeze. Wow. Chat, we're dodging bombs today, I guess. Oh my god.
Bruh.
Killing me, man. Why rely on the government when you can prepare your own retirement? Ben, I agree with you, man. Right? Why is it so difficult to get past 8,000? Because all your psychological rounded numbers, your zeros and your fives, are going to act as a psychological resistance. That's it. I mean, 8,000, 7,000, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000. All of them, man. So, it is, man. There's not enough buying pressure to push you to the upside. Oh yeah, Litecoin. Well, it's been up there, hasn't it? I thought it was already. Hold on. Oh, nice. Yeah. Yeah. Well, it's not gone. It has not gone any higher than it's been before. Right on the last candle, we got all the way up to 128.89 or 129 on the dot. Right. So, yep. Nice. Very nice. But right, where are we? We're right at that. Looking left. Whoa, sorry. Looking left, overhead resistance, right? There's resistance here from May 17, 2018, and resistance from June 3rd, 2018. So you're kind of breaking it right now. Holy crap. But just know where we are right now. Not going to be easy to break. But if you do, like, just think about it, man. We just talked about it. 1272 fib extension, up sloping resistance, horizontal line resistance. They all converge right here where we are. Just not going to be easy to break. But if you do, my mother of God, dude. Mother of God. Extremely strong if you do. I just doesn't seem like it. I mean, it seems like you would be pulling back now. Well, dude, hey, bulls and, definitely control this one. Easy. And it might be because of the leading up to the halvening. Any good news for XRP? Alex Cobb could tell you, man. Join his Discord. Check him out. He'll keep you up to date on XRP news, man. Better than anyone else. I think that's very clear now. The person that we talked about at the beginning of the stream, who has been exposed as a fraud, he actually was talking crap about Alex Cobb behind his back in a PM to someone else. Talking about him getting into graphs and charting. Like, condescendingly. He was, like, being a jerk about it. And it's like, so, okay, is everyone supposed to just regurgitate played out news that you didn't report? You're just a content reader, right? You can make fun of Alex for trying to get better and learn something, right? Sorry he's not being influenced by you, Mr. Fraud. Otherwise, he might have gotten caught up in some sort of St. Jude scam. Okay, donation scam, charity scam, right? Whew, good thing he didn't follow your back. My God. The Litecoin halvening trumps TA. Well, Sublime, man. Hey, man. We'll see it happen then. Let's see us break this, man. I must break you. Add an alert. But yeah, you can clearly see if Bitcoin moves up any, Litecoin is doing much better. What's up, Claudio, man? Good to see you, dude. Yeah, you're overbought right now. The most overbought you've been since May 28th. Currently sitting at 74 on the RSI on the 4 hour, so hot. Oh yeah, Takara, man, yeah, that was nuts, dude. There was like a helicopter that had a crash landing. Yeah, I saw that. Ricard, yeah, don't be messing with my boy Alex, or I'm gonna talk about it, dude. All right. Okay, chat. So what we're, really this point, man, we got 30 minutes left till the daily close. Bitcoin's moving up a little bit. Litecoin, I mean, Bitcoin's at 79.94 right now, so still below that 8,000 mark. What's up, Texas Adverb, man? It's breaking, yeah, broke 129, highest high, 52-week highs. Right now, as we speak and breathe, breaking the upsloping resistance as it stands now. There it is. You just pumped up to make 52-week highs. Bitcoin, $3 off, 8,000. Thanks, Kevin Phillips, man. Yeah, ABC and Divergence. Right, you're just talking about the 3 waves. Yeah, there it is, man. 129.40. A Litecoin is moving to the upside right now. It's breaking overhead resistance. It's breaking above the 1272 VIP extension, and it's breaking the upsloping resistance. All right, or did I say that? Whatever it is, all about. Hey, my god, dude, 8,008. Let's go, Gary. I agree, man. Bradford says Alex improving on his charting is a win for the XRP community. Absolutely correct. There it is, Jared, man. See, pulling back there, right? Confirmation close. Confirmation close, what we're looking for. So you're back below 8,000 again on Bitcoin. You can't make it happen. Maybe we should split screen. Have Bitcoin on one side with Litecoin on the other, since this one has kind of been the darling of this past week or two. It's been great. Excuse me. Okay, so looking at Bitcoin on your right, Litecoin on your left, so we don't miss any goodness, right? We'll just see how we're responding to this crazy, insane resistance level right here. It's just like fib extensions, horizontal line, and upsloping resistance. Good God. That's right, Adam Anderson.
BTC is about to break 8,000. Thanks for being here this Monday. Spending my work hours with you makes life way easier to get through. You're the man. To the moon, peace.
Man.
Bruh.
Dude, Claudio, man, thanks for the $8 and change, the one Ethereum Classic. Holy crap. Dude, I'm just like, I don't know, because you've tipped one Ethereum Classic a multitude of times now, so it's like, increasing my bags of ETC, man. Let's go. Slowly but surely. People have done it over the past, but it was, I think, when they were tipping me in Ethereum Classic, it was like $15 or something. It was much higher than. Hold on. Yeah, so a gap. Sorry, and kind of all over the place because I got distracted. Something happened, but I think when I was looking at the CME futures, I think my browser crapped out. There is a gap to fill at 71.90, which we have not done yet. Right here. You see it? 71.90. It just has not happened yet, man, okay? Just give it time, dude. And again, 8440 is that like head and shoulders zone, right? So if we run up to 84, 8500, you don't want to stop there. That would be very bad, stopping at 84, 8500. That's when it's like, okay, so there's obviously not enough buying pressure to get us back above 9,000. Why split screen when we can look at it on the big screen, man? Is XRP making 52 Kaz right now? I don't think so, dude. Yusuf, man, thanks for the $4 super chat. Here you go, dude. On the big screen, even better, right, man? See, and there you go. Litecoin's already pulled back to under all that resistance. I think that was the... Yep. Here you go, man. Here's your big screen. Better than a split screen. Alright, so once I get more monitors hooked up again in time, once I move or something, I'll get back to the... I used to do the quad screen. It was really nice, really fun. It was a lot more work to get set up and stuff. Imagine when my browser's crashing, having to get that set up again. Impossible. I wouldn't do it. So what do you want, man? You're in an uptrend after a breakout of a downtrend you'd been in for 14, 15 months. And now you're just making higher lows and you're staying above 36.8 cents. Big deal. Hold above that and you're fine. But as you can see, on the rally, you know, where Bitcoin ran back up to its previous level, Ripple's done, or XRP's done nothing. Just, well, it's a 3%, man, making much lower highs than the previous highs. And the 20 moving average, 50 moving average, you're below them. You're back with a 200 though. Good for you there, but I don't know how long it's going to last. I mean, with bullish divergence, what are you doing? You should be like going to higher prices when you diverge like that, okay? So it's just not doing it. Clearly there's attention on other assets, and it's not so much XRP right now. Alright, believe me, XRP has its time in the sun, doesn't it? All the time. Not all the time, not this year, but it has in the past, alright? It ain't over till Fat Lady sings at 8 p.m. Eastern. Yep, that's 25 minutes and 30 seconds from now. Right around that 8,000 area. But just can't break it. It's just too much, man. Thanks, Quiet Riot. Welcome, man. Glad you're here. Dude, I have like no dust on my PC, man. There's just something wrong. It's like a software thing, man. Like when they are the ones that patch things and come up with updates, and all of a sudden me not doing anything different, it just starts crapping out all the time. Dude, for the amount of crap that TradingView pulls on its patches, it has to be something wrong with TradingView. There has to be something seriously wrong with TradingView. Again, like always. Dude, Hanger 18 Tattoo, what's up, man? So, dude. Here we go. Litecoin on the left, Bitcoin on the right. Kangs. Thanks again, Hanger, man. Holy crap, dude. 2 in a row? What? XRP in the jar, dude. Hype. Oh, yeah? Bart Simpson? Here's the Bart Simpson, man. Someone posted it. Was it you? Who was it? That's what they think. They think it's a Bart Simpson. All right, sure. We'll see, man. It'd be nice to square up, though. All right. Those exchanges, they got open orders, man. They want to close them, breaking even. Why would we not run up to 84.54 after X, A, B, C looking for D up here? Thanks again, Hanger, man. Really appreciate the $10 super chat. Thank you, dude. Is someone saying that a Facebook coin is in competition with XRP? Who's saying that? What's up, MJ? Jerome, hi. Yeah, Litecoin looks good on the daily. Let me see. Yeah, look at that bullish engulfing candle, man. It's beautiful, dude. Beautiful, man. Wow. But look, the whole market's bullishly engulfing on the US dollar pairs. They all, or most of them are. I mean, look at that. You're just right at it. Taking out everything, like taking out the channels and stuff like that. You see that's the overhead resistance right there back from 2018. And you're just cracking it. You're barely cracking it right now. Look at that stagnation in momentum, right? It was like high on price, higher on price, about the same level of positive Momo. Sold off, rallied again, man. And here you go. Your first positive histogram wick, this new island. You're about to start getting overbought again. That's okay. 69. Hot. 128.25. But yeah, man, just good luck, dude. Good luck breaking that. It just seems like it'd be so freaking tough, man. What's up, Mobius, dude? My fellow statesman. Don't jinx. Have I checked Windows event log? No, Luke. I haven't. My IT guy keeps showing me like how to do it, but I don't know, man. He's coming over tonight, like in like an hour or something. So we'll get it. I mean, we'll try to get it fixed, I guess. What else we're gonna do? I have other RAM in my alternative PC, you know, my backup PC. So we're gonna switch it out and see how that works over this really, really expensive Corsair Vengeance RGB RAM. We're gonna try it and see if it works. It's probably not gonna do crap, dude. We could also change the megahertz back to like crappy default, because this is 3200 megahertz RAM. It's really fast. But we have to go down to like 2500 or something stupid. What's up, Michael Lapoya, dude? Beyond Meat. Oh, yeah. Beyond Meat, man. Shopify, too. Good God. Yeah, y'all look at this crap, man. It's like out of here, man. It's out of here. It's like Tilray. It reminds me of like all the pot stocks. This thing ran up today and got as high as $185. The 4-hour session, morning session candle. All right, and then just closed with tons of indecision. I mean, like, it's like, what do you even do here, man? Shorts obliterated. You know, sitting at 86 on the RSI. Mother of God. 86? Yeah, 86. Look at the volume involved. Oh, it's just gone, man. There's no real, I mean, like, you can't even do fib extensions besides the one I have, high to low, and then it's like, you're beyond a 423.6% retrace. Understand that? That's insanity. You actually bounced off of it today. Wow. Anyway, man. Yeah, Beyond Meat. Rest in peace. You're short if you were short on this. Wow. Alright. Bitcoin is just struggling at 8,000, man. 19 minutes to make a decision. Alright. Stay above 79.30, and it will be on close a confirmed bullish engulfing candle, which is very good, man. Yeah, smart move, Corey, man. Meat lovers are offended by the price action. Yeah, dude, it's like a vegetarian thing, right? Or is it like manufactured meat? What is it again? Tilray's up 11% today on news of shares being locked up. I was talking to Patron about it. Pull back to 120-ish. Not if Bitcoin runs up. I mean, like, this thing just gonna explode up if Bitcoin wants to run up to 8,400. I don't even know where this is gonna go, man. Remember we talked about 786 to $150. So just think about like a Bitcoin. I mean, they're just so closely tied together because this is such a fork of Bitcoin, right? And we know Bitcoin Cash follows Bitcoin pretty well too, but man, this one's just acting like BNB, right? Beyond Me is no way vegan. What is it again? It's like, tell me, dude. Manufactured meat. They make their own meat, dude, without animals or something. Soylent Green, here we come. No, and people spamming bomb token. It's not even on TradingView. So what are you thinking, dude? Oh yes, CRM's acquiring Tableau. Crazy, William. Good input. So what does Tableau though? Tableau do? I'm sure it's something to do with tablets, right? Data visualization company. Wow. Okay. Ooh. On the heels of Google buying analytics startup Looker last week for $2.6 billion, Salesforce today announced a huge piece of news in a bid to step up its own work in data visualization and more generally, tools to help enterprises make sense of the sea of data that they use and amass. Salesforce buying Tableau for $15.7 billion in an all-stock deal. The latter is publicly traded, and this deal will involve shares of Tableau Class A and B common stock getting exchanged for, was that 1.103 shares of Salesforce common stock, the company said. And so the $15.7 billion figure is the enterprise value of the transaction based on the average price of Salesforce's shares as of June 7, 2019. Yeah. I'm sure it is a huge jump on their market cap. It was valued at $10.79 billion at close of trading Friday. What was it before that? Oh, so it's like it was 10.79 and now it's 15.7. Good God. Interesting, man. Thanks for bringing that up, dude. CRM, just another one of those cloud companies, man. I mean, I've used Salesforce before when I was in sales. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. I mean, it's like you have to have it. I mean, like where I started, they didn't even have Salesforce. I was trying to get it implemented into the entire corporate culture because people were just using notepads and binders still. And we were close. I mean, we created a committee and a group and all that, and it just never happened. Like, whatever, dude. Good luck. Have fun. Being inefficient. Of course I've looked at Zcash. I've looked at everything on here, dude. Okay. Just about. They found similar protein in plants that gives meat its flavor. So how's that not vegan? Right? If I eat plants, could I be considered a vegan? Only plants? Jurgen.
I like turtles.
There you go, dude. No. William, of course not. Media. Not much of a trend. Oops. Yeah, I mean, it's like, really, where's the high? I mean, previous high to low. 62% retrace, the golden retrace. You hit it, man. That's what you've done. Alright, you can clearly see there's a bunch of resistance here anyway. So nothing weird about it. You hit the golden retrace and pull back, but it doesn't look like, I mean, you may not be done. But trend-wise, I don't really know what really is going to make sense here. Okay, what is it like this? It was like that. Now you have to adjust. It's probably all you can do at this point. 1, 2, 3 on the bottom, 1 on the top. Get some heartline resistance, probably 25% resistance. Anyway, that's it, man. You know, let's see. Where is their support? I mean, until you break above all this crap, dude, you're gonna be suspect to breakdown. Okay, it looks like there's support. Looking left, right here, kind of where we are. Breaking that. Is there, I mean, that's kind of like overhead resistance in a way. So the next, you know, if you fall below that, then you got some support down here at 86.48. All right, so we know we've reversed our price action at the golden retrace. Good for us. So now let's fit from the low to high. Okay, so we're hitting a 38% retrace and no lower. Right at it. That's the beginning of the golden zone. So we know we must commonly retrace between 62% and 38% of the way. Look at that. The 50% retrace is your next support too. So if this doesn't hold, then you're coming down straight to 85.54. Then after that, you don't want to break. I don't think you want to break the upsloping support here. If you do, you're probably in trouble. Okay. Hyper cash. Wow. It's fast food for vegan. Real vegan does not eat processed anything. Gotcha, David Davis. Thanks, man, for the clarification. Is it? No, I don't think it's soy. It's plants, right? Plants that are processed. So, I don't know, man. It's all confusing, dude. It's like, it's all about, it's like kind of like pronouns now, right, man? Well, that's cool, Christian, man. Smart glasses, good luck, dude. They're not the first. Probably won't be the last. It's not easy bringing in a new piece of technology and getting a massive amount of people to buy into it. All right, to where it becomes a thing. Oreos are vegan. All in. Oreos, Denver. Okay. We've got 10 minutes left, man. Now it's just a run out of the clock situation. So we're just going to hang out. That's right. 10 minutes, David Schultz. Or else. You were vegan, but vegans ruined it for you? You also used to have XRP, but then XRP made you want to sell it. Is XRP vegan? Is this real? Yeah, it's grown in labs, man. Soylent Green. What's up, Jeremy, dude? Well, dude, I mean, so we're at a critical resistance, but it's not just there. I mean, it's like another way too, right? It's like the other anchor points you're gonna have resistance. So interesting. Soy is a plant. Yeah, for sure. But again, they're talking about if soy was processed, it is now not vegan approved, right? Crypto 2 times. Is that when you developed your stutter? You're gonna get the crypto because you was vegan.
Bruh.
Oreos have animal fat product in them. I thought that was in the 20s, dude. I think they've changed that. Also, look at Litecoin, 129.30. About to be at 52 week. It is at 52 week highs. Just hit chat. Congratulations.
Bruh.
There it is. Litecoin. It's about to hit 130. Let's go. Hello, this is your DJ Hunt and Franz. We're watching the Litecoin. This is the Litecoin live stream channel. Bump your head for Litecoin pumping right now. Comrades.
Bruh.
Jurgen tipped $25. Thank you for your insight in helping us to stay cool and level-headed. You turned my bad streak around. 10% in the green thanks to you.
Having the jet! Thank you, Jurgen, man, for 25. Big ones, man. Kangs. Getting back to it on France Radio, man. Sorry, man. I don't know. It's kind of fun. When I hear this music, I just think of like Norway and just up there, dude. And it's just like Armin van Buren stuff, right? So it's all in good fun. Thank you again, Jurgen, bruh. 3.5 Rogan? Bullish Bat TRX, yes. Jeremy S. Connect. Tron Connect. We'll look at it on the right side. Yes. Absolutely. This is Jeremy's chart right now. Bat Connect, very close to the PCZ. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. Potential bullish bat. Looking like 375 is that PCZ, the 886. Are we getting divergence there, Jeremy, man? Let me know, dude. This is making me a little weird. More, right? We like our coinciding variables. I want to see more, man. From you. Okay, on the France Radio, we're pumping again on Litecoin. We're now hitting 129.99. 130, chat. 52 guys. Techno Viking, is that it, dude? What's up, Jura? We're just watching Litecoin be Kangs, man. Bitcoin over 8,000. 5 minutes left on the daily candle. Will we show strength into the eve? Looking like it on Litecoin for now. But, dude, we've seen in 5 minutes crazy stuff happens, dude. So, hang tight. You don't want to go anywhere, chat. And thanks for the 856 people tuned in right now. If you're enjoying Litecoin pumping, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Kangs. Let's go. Pulling back a little bit, though. To be expected at $130, $130 psychological rounded number resistance. That's it. Hold on, I want to get to the bottom of this Oreo animal oil. Hold on. Oreos have palm oil in them, which creates arguments among vegans because of what it might be doing to certain ecosystems. Okay. Interesting. Please tell me more. Still pulling back a little bit. Bitcoin barely over 8,000. Up almost 5% today. So can't be that upset about it, man. Back above the 20, the 50, and the 200 moving average. If Bitcoin springs to the upside at all, that 20 would bullishly cross over the 50 and would prevent ourselves from getting a nasty 4-hour death cross. Blog Geek says Mitch Ray. Whoop, what the heck? I used what I've been learning from you and closed a short on Chainlink for a 13.3% gain. Oh, look at that, Matthew T. Alley-oopin. I did this and the sound effect happened. Thanks, Matthew T, for the appropriate sub right there for the limit break noise. Blog Geek, that was for you, okay? If you even got that. William Baker, even dollar cost averaging on Litecoin since 60 because of me? What? What about 30, man? Dude, we were like, that inverse head and shoulders, dude, was so lit, man. But that's wonderful, dude. That's wonderful. Ed McCracken stepping away from the edge. Good. Always step away from the edge. I don't know what you mean there, but be careful. How do you tip me in crypto, Blog Geek? It's in the link is in the description below. It's Streamlabs. That's it. Streamlabs. Check it out and you'll see it. Tip in crypto. Make sure it's like, you know, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, like one of the older ones on Coinbase. They don't update their API anymore because evidently they don't make enough money because most streamers don't get crypto tips. So, you know, that's probably because most people who stream aren't streaming crypto-centric programming. Oh, holy crap. Sorry. Decent on chat now. Elemental P, which one are we talking about, dude? Oh yeah, by the way, chat, we got 2 minutes, man, so we'll just go ahead and do it. It's time for your local on the 8th. Oh my god, man. Sponsored by Hans and Franz Radio, man. Ooh, the 888 people watching. Kang Logan, where you at, dude? Shout out Kang Logan, always. Hold on. Oh, by the way, chat, really? This really? Okay, so literally 45% of y'all that voted, there are only 65, not much participation in this vote, but like, would you rather your company pay you in US dollar or Ethereum? You said Ethereum, dude. Really? What's happening? What's it doing that? Oh, wait. So, don't sign me up, dude, for the Ethereum in lieu of US dollar. No thanks, dude. Maybe for like 2 months every 3 or 4 years, right? Bitcoin showing lots of strength with 1 minute left. Litecoin also showing tremendous amounts of strength. Look, chat, we have 1 minute left till the daily candle close. And the daily candle close for Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, I believe even Rappel, XRP, are all bullish engulfing candles. Good news. That's great. Eric, thanks, man. It's not my music, it's Hans and Franz's music, okay? Let's go, Virgus game, let's go! Let's enjoy it. Premium Discord or just one Discord? I have one Discord that has a Patreon chat, but, you know, general chat's popping. I'd like to see what's more active. Like, dude, seriously, do we have more active, is there more active crypto Discords than ours, dude? We've got a lot of people now. Remember, join the Discord. If you want to keep the conversation going when this stream ends, you want to get in contact with anyone in the live chat that you're meeting here, you know, best way to get in contact with them and me is through Discord. So join it, dude. No point in not doing it. It's joining a community of like-minded individuals. They care about crypto, charts, trading, technical analysis, all that, right? What are you waiting for? We've got like almost 2,700 people in it now. It's like exploding. Someone post the link to it or be destroyed. Thank you. Being polite there. All right, still below 130, but we did hit it. Beautiful. New daily candle has begun. Let's look at Bitcoin real quick on the daily. Keeping Litecoin up on the left. Here you go. Bullish engulfing candle, tweezer double bottom. Beautiful. This is a very bullish looking, I mean, this is very bullish price action. I'm sorry, I don't care who you are. A tweezer double bottom on a double bottom, right? It's a, look, double bottom, but then the double bottom here. All right, and then engulfing, like completely covering the previous candle, which is what we call the bullish engulfing candle. Now we're at $8,046, man. All right, holla holla. But look where we are. We're still contained within the parameters of the downtrend, the short-term downtrend, not long-term or anything. It's just 1 and 2 on the top, 3 on the bottom. Haven't touched it since we got those anchor points. So we're still within it. So we got to break that, man. Like to really see us hit 8,400 at least for a square up. But remember, if you cannot break 84, 8,500, you better be careful. You have to understand you could be developing a huge potential head and shoulders pattern on the daily. Going back to that daily real quick so you can see it. Get rid of this real quick. This measured spot. Okay, and so we're just talking about right, left shoulder potentially, head, and then potential right shoulder if you ever got up to this level and then stalled. What you want to do, like in actuality, man, look, you're below the 20-day moving average. You want to break above the 20-day moving average, break above 84, 8,500, stay above it, and then make higher highs. That's it. This next time, man, you make a lower high here, it's not looking great, man. That's not looking good on a daily time scale. Okay. That's it, Chad. Been live now for 2 hours and 30 seconds. Please hit the like button, that bell, that sub. If you're enjoying at least the coverage and Litecoin doing things positively. Bitcoin, 8,046 right now. Beautiful. Beyond Meat. Yeah, that's our sponsor. No, it's Hans and Franz Radio, man. What's up, Ryan Martin, dude? Oh, thanks for all the people joining Discord, man. Welcome. Welcome, all of you. Boom. Welcome wagons here, man. Asians are awake now, I believe. They're up. Yes, Ed, we looked at Link way earlier in the stream. Kiki says lots of education in Discord, lots of people with lots of knowledge with TA. Join, learn, and share. Absolutely, dude. Hey, Graham W., thank you, dude. Where was I in 2017? Watching. But hey, man, I was stock market, dude. That was my thing. That's where I came from, dude. So, like, yeah, 2017 came around, and I was, like, curious. Just, like, some of these assets doing things. All right. They connect. Oh my god, XRP to $10 in 5 hours. Yeah, right, Ajit. Yeah, right, man. I don't believe you. Oh my god, dude. Are you kidding me? Let's go. Let's make it trigger so I can hit the button, dude. Argascan! Hype in the chat for Argascan. He's here. Gangs. Dude, oh my goodness, man. The Roken ball freaking out. Thank you, dude. All world. Argascan's in the house chat. Freaking unreal, dude. So grateful. You're amazing, dude. Freaking amazing, bro. What's up, Lemon Drop? Lemon Drops, man. Argascan, do you like lemon drops, dude? Are you a citrus guy? See, I like citrus a lot, man. Oranges, lemons, tangerines, grapefruits to some extent. Really healthy, man, but just tastes good. Argascan making moves again.
Bruh.
Bruh. That's right, dude. Join the Discord. Join it, bruh. Check out the chart, Mston. What chart you talking about, homie? Jason, the Impaler, welcome. Do you know Ivan the Impaler? He's a comrade, man. He's a comrade from Mother Russia, man. Bow down to Argascan. Gangs. Like when carrying the load. Yeah, well, I mean, you know, whatever, man. Bitcoin is trying to recover. It's really, again, still in the short-term downtrend. I'd like to see us break it. Be nice. I mean, it was good to see some price action towards the end. But remember what's happening with Litecoin. Just remember, I know it's euphoric and crazy, but this is where, you know, this is where pigs get slaughtered. I'm just saying, man, like, high on price, higher high on price. I know we could keep building, but bearish divergence will be setting in at some point. So this is a high risk area for Litecoin. I mean, you know about it, man. $130 over resistance. Go up, man. What's up, Evan Moore, dude? Bruh. Matt is the whale. Argoscan is the whale in the chat, yes. He is, man. The Malibu Kang. Crypto's more exciting this time, Burkus scans. It's true, real life, man. It's true. I mean, like, people that are just like, you know, they say, hey, man, it's up, it's green, man. I mean, it's up like, you know, 12%, 15%, whatever, buying in this area. You may be making some gains for 20 minutes, an hour or two, but once this thing reverses the downside, just a back test, I mean, even if it's not a bad sell-off, it's just not a good area of value. You're paying an extreme premium for Litecoin at these levels, as it stands now. Mr. Aldana, thank you for joining the Discord, dude. Appreciate it, man. Welcome. I just said Kangs. Litecoin mining difficulty will double in less than 60 days. Ox. That's a hard name, dude. You got a name? Should I just call you Ox? Yeah, I'll just call you Ox. Evan Moore, you love the channel? Dude, thanks for the sub, man. And thank you for saying something. Most people don't say anything after they sub, dude, so it's nice. Okay. What's my music, man? Looks like we have another DJ, man. Another Nordic playing. Hans and Franz Radio, man. Oh my god, this is all... Yep, Passive Base says this is all leading up to Justin Sun's dinner. Does anyone have a date on that? When is he doing it? Please let me know. I gotta know. Name channel? It's a very generic name. I'm doing well, dude. Well, better than I was yesterday, I'll say that. How are you doing, man? So again, 129.34 on Litecoin. High risk areas up here. Now, it was a daily. Look at the daily. Look at this bullish engulfing candle. Beautiful engulfing. But as you can see, 4-hour and the daily in the process of potentially developing some of that divergence. So please be careful at these areas. But it's great, man. Yes. Exceptional price action from Litecoin. And it's been exceptional since December, man. Oh my god. Uh-oh, Art of JR. Well, good luck with that, man. Good luck with that. Thanks for the 930 or so people tuned in right now. As we've got Litecoin on the left hand of your screen, and on the right side we got Bitcoin. All right, just so people aren't confused. With the split screen, we just do that sometimes when one asset is shining bright and Bitcoin is also doing things, but not like really. I mean, it's not even making higher highs than the previous highs yet. Remember that. So the reason why we sprung to the upside was the argument of divergence, convergence down here on both oscillators with a bullish pin bar that happened around 3 a.m. Eastern last night. What's up, Raj Jetta? Welcome. Thanks for being here. The Tron guy, Tron Connect? Yes, Mr. Majesty, correct. Okay. Tron Connect lunch. Someone give me a date. Okay, I'm just gonna Google it. Okay. No one's giving me a date. I thought it was a lunch. It wasn't a dinner either. So it's not even a real date. He's just friend zoned. All right. Or acquaintance zoned. Let me see here. But where? No, it's like it just talks about it's happening, but no one's saying like when. No article's talking about when. There you go. Beginning to reverse your price action. Talked about high risk areas up here, and Bitcoin is also selling off too. Here you go, man. For now. Okay, a lot of time left, you know, less than 3 hours and 48 minutes left in your 4-hour candle, so obviously anything can happen, but as it stands now, pulling back. This is why FOMO is so bad. I still can't find when it is. Chat, I need help, man. I need help. We got to find out when the lunch is so we can bug it. Okay, we can put like a microphone there or something. So it's a 3-hour lunch. Okay. Yeah, I didn't find a date. Yeah, I don't think there is a date, man. I don't think there is a date at all. Robert Rosario, you feel a dump coming? Well, remember, this yellow line right here, that's the horizontal line resistance, right? We broke it, now we fell below for a second, but we're right at it. Okay, so we might be breaking and now hooking off of the area that was once resistance at, and we're now using it as support, which is good. It's what you do when you break out of things. You backtest most of the time. On at least one time scale. Even if it's only the 5-10 or 5-15 minute chart, okay? Come back below 8,000, chat. Oh my god, man. Sorry, Bitcoin. Just not doing things. The lunch day is probably private. Yeah, for security purposes, ER. That makes sense. Because I'm sure other people will be trying to bug that conversation too, right? Ethereum, David. $2.82. I mean, you'd think that with all this divergence, yeah, it'd make higher prices, but it's not gonna go to 252 if Bitcoin doesn't rise to the upside anymore. Like this, like I think Ethereum's price action is solely dependent on Bitcoin's, right? So on Ethereum, remember the new idea in time, and this could play into some bearish people's perceptions, but X, A, B, C, and then D is down here, the PCZ, the 786. All right, this is a potential bullish cipher pattern where one will be taking an entry on a long position at 178. Would you be able to believe it? You don't believe me now, but dude, seldom do people believe in these patterns until we get to the PCZ and then we run to the upside. This could take us weeks to get down here. It could take us a long time, but yeah, in the short term, it would seem more likely that we'd break to the upside because of the overwhelming amount of bullish divergence on Ethereum. So we could run all the way up to 278, right? Make that right shoulder, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. And it's only going to happen if Bitcoin runs to the upside, right? And we may still not even get there. It might have an oblong shoulder. All right. So it would take a lot of patience, but that would be a potential very nice entry for, again, a potential bullish cipher pattern. 178. Never gonna happen, dude. Never gonna happen. Okay. Key Straight really will be a very awkward lunch, I do believe. Like, what are they going to talk about? I mean, you know, how are they going to make it a good conversation, right? Like, or a nice, long-lasting relationship builds. What's up, Kelvin, man? Dang, dude, thanks for all the new members joining the Discord. It's fantastic, y'all. Crypto Glint, overhead resistance looking left. Upsloping resistance of our channel. Let me just try to pull it up on my other screen, so I don't want to get out of this. I want to keep it kind of like both charts up. Give me a sec. 130 is resistance. This is why, bruh. I'll do one.
Bruh.
This is why. All right. So Litecoin, stupendous uptrend, man. It's beautiful. One of the best looking trends in crypto right now. Okay, so 130 or 128 area, right? Overhead resistance, first off. That's one reason, all right? Upsloping resistance, another reason. Also, another reason, fib extensions.
Hey buddy, have you looked at AMD? Wondering if I should get in under $30. Thoughts?
So Infinite Paradox, yeah, we'll look at it in just a second, man. Thank you, dude, for the 5 kings. Also, another high to low fib extensions, man. All right, That 1272 is right at 128.28, right? We're just really struggling here, man. Really struggling. Tons of resistance. Divergence is beginning to develop on the MACD. That is not bullish. That is bearish. That means impending price action reversal to the downside if it holds, right? You start stalling here, then the divergence is going to become more and more apparent. You see it? I know you do, man. Bearish divergence. Okay, so there's a big argument why, right? Hopefully that clears things up, right, for you. Sweet, man. Yes, you might want to wait. You know why? Watch this. This is AMD, okay? Look where you are. You gapped up today on no volume. And yes, there is no divergence on the 4-hour. Oh my god, a shooting star? Extreme. Dude, that's a bearish reversal pattern right there. A gap up shooting star. I mean, why would we not, look, no volume, why would we not fill this again? Why would we not come back down to 32.44 at least to fill it? Okay, but seeing this pattern, shooting star, is bearish, man. Bearish. And you're at the top trend line of the wedge. Do you see the wedge, man? High to low, 100% retrace. As soon as you touch the 100% retrace, what happened? Rejected and then shooting starred. And then closed within the pattern, right? Yes. So yes, obviously like some high risk up here. Okay. Now we know targets, if we ever did break it at the upside, we got 39.09, high to low, start established. But I'm just saying, man, these are high risk areas. Sweet Crypto Glenn. Awesome, man. Tron's rat poison? No, I don't think he'll say that. Since 4.6 million. But he'll be polite, I'm sure. Whew. Okay, y'all. Starting to get a little winded. Alright, this normally happens after 2 hours of streaming. You just be like, ugh. How many Rokins is Tron Connect Mini? 15,000. Yeah, maybe it's a wedge, man. Maybe it's a wedge. What if you anchor from the top point, though? Have we already broken out, Jeremy? Mithril Connect, Arlo, yeah, dude. Yeah, could be a Telegram. I don't look at the 45-minute chart, Chris, man, bruh. Ben Howard, we would expect, you know, Under Armour to be doing stuff like that, man. There's a good reason why. Very, very. Look, you wanna know why? I'll show you, bruh. We broke a red resistance. Look at this. Yeah, Under Armour did. It was a downtrend. Didn't matter, man. We were diverging. You had bullish well, we had bullish convergence going on the higher lows. Remember the breakout, the Momo shift. Look, we ran up, we back tested the area that was once resistance and support, and now we've broken out, right? That 2471 area was the sell wall, right? So someone was suppressing the price here. Okay, but what happened today was, what do you think, man? Or wasn't today? It was a few days ago. We broke it, man. There was no more supply at this price. There's only supply at higher prices. So ran all the way up to 2640 today before selling off. But there you go, man. It looks almost like shooting star stuff or bearish hammer. Really, that's actually dark cloud cover. Yeah, that's dark cloud cover, man. You opened higher than your previous candle, and then you closed piercing like 50% of the previous candle. So that's a bearish candle right there. So yeah, it might pull back, you might back test, whatever. Beautiful. That's very, very nice. Okay, so yeah, we've had our eye on this. We know the measure move eventually would yield you a price of like 32.59. Okay, very cool. Under Armour Connect. Let's go.
Bruh.
Beautiful. What's up, Al Marie? Where'd my music go to? Hey, Mobius man. Dude, that Jeremy guy keeps reaching out to me from Tron Connect, man. It's like every other day. It's annoying. Sure thing, Ben Howard, dude. Go see it. Okay, y'all. So, the close was strong. The open, not so strong, right? Back below 8,000. Right at that downslipping resistance we have yet to break out. But soon, maybe. We very well could, right? The whole idea, potentially X, A, B, C, and we're looking for D up here. Between 84 and 8,500 for the square up. Alright, chat. I've got my alert set up. Well, there you go, man. 128.40. You're right back above the horizontal line, old resistance, trying to stay above it as support, which is good. Bitcoin did bullishly engulf Marco Rivera. Yes, it did on the daily. Remember, I'll show you again. It was tweezer double bottom. Tweezer double bottom, bullish engulfing candle. Very, very bullish price action right here. It's beautiful, man. Be weird to not follow up with any positive price action after this, man. Seriously. It's a very good candle on the daily. But as it stands now, still down sloping. Some art. Joel Toshi, not really, man. Not today. Okay. Whew. I'm winded, dude. Been looking at assets all day, man. So, man, I don't know. I'm probably just gonna like wrap it up and make it back for the 9th stream, right, chat? I mean, I'm hoping this market still pumps, dude. It's just I gotta like take it easy a little bit, man. I'm still like coming off like real bad, like sick this weekend. Good God, I haven't been that sick in like a long time, dude. Anyway, chat, man. Thanks for the 800 people tuned in. Dang, thank y'all for the 441 likes. That's incredible. Really appreciate that. Dang, dude. Thanks, Christian, man. All right, chat. Well, man, we've had a lot of fun today, right? Let's do a rundown. Oh, wait. Oh, we already did. Infinite Paradox, thank you, man. Arcus Scan. Always for you.
Bruh.
Thank you for the 118. C-Note and beyond. You are king. Session Top Jesus. Jurgen, man, thank you for the 25. Hanger 18, thank you for that 10, dude. Yusuf, thank you, dude. Anon. Thank you. Cisco Kid. Brandon Green, thanks for the 20, dude. 3 lines. Caesar. My fellows 2 times. Kang Crypto. Dan and Melissa, thanks for the roughly 50 today. Y'all are incredible. Freaking love y'all. Copper Crypto, thanks for starting it off early with the Kin Connect. And Claudio, thank you for the 1 Ethereum Classic today. Alright. Thanks so much for all the new members in our Discord. This rapidly growing. We'll be at 3,000 in no time, man. Very, very active Discord we have. So, you know, there's a Bitcoin market pump or something like that, dude. That's the place to be hanging out if I'm not live, okay? And when I am live, this is the place to be hanging out, dude, for that market action, price action, whatever. So, y'all are absolutely incredible. Thank you for all the support, the new subs, the old subs. Let's keep it going, man. We got 61 more subs until 12,000, chat. Let's go. Let's make it happen. I'm finishing on another note here. Okay. Which note though? Okay. I'll finish it on that note. Wow. It just crashed again. Unreal. That's twice now today. Awesome. Updated my drivers, did everything, man. Just can't get out of here on a clean note. Wow. Okay. So just sit back, relax. We'll see if Bitcoin can break out. I'll see
I
y'all
will never understand you.
just a little while. So until next time, respect the T. Hey.
Will I stop trying? I mean, 'cause it's just not how I plan to spend my time till dying. I mean, champagne, California on the brain. She got an appetite for no refrain, just verses. She curses, a blood vessel bursts in defiance. She made alliance to the dark side of Hollywood, where everything looks good, so I treat her as any other player would, lightly. Then she wants to fight me. Too bad, that's just too bad. I can't be around to pick up your bags and your debts. She wants to love me with bets, not taking chances. I'm hedging my bets with other girls, not providing girls. I'm free, free. I will never understand you. When will I stop trying? I mean, 'cause it's just not how I plan to spend my time till dying. I mean, I know loving me isn't easy. I'm home the next thing I'm leaving. But when I look at you, it's like praying with my eyes. Follow you, sleep so I will find your dream place. And nay, I'm not an angel, but girl, you make me feel like I know one. Champagne, California on the brain. She got an appetite for no refrains, just verses. She curses, blood vessel bursts in defiance. She made alliance to the dark side of Hollywood, where everything looks good, so I treat her as any other sucker would, tightly. Then she wants to fight me. Too bad, that's just too bad. I can't be around to pick up your bags and your debts. She wants to love me with bets. I'm not taking chances. I'm hedging my bets with other girls, not providing girls. I'm free, free. Never understand.
That boy is good. My name is JP. I'm a robot. I like robots. I have a robot vagina.
Adios, turd nuggets.